Hi, hello. How are you all? Yes. Welcome to the Miracle channel. Today we are going to see about a book Magic. Okay, and this magic has given us information about 28 days workout. I know everyone is having the dreams. You have the dream, I have the dream, everybody is having the dream. And in this video, we are going to see how to fulfill these dreams. Okay, and here this book, The Magic, have explained us about day 28 days. What are the activities we have to do and we have to follow for this 28 days to bring our dream into true. So today we will see about the day 1 activities, okay, and this day 1 activities talks about count your blessings, and here this count your blessings we will have in the question and answer. What is count your blessing? When to do the count your blessings and how to do the count your blessings. Okay, so we will get the answers for all these 3 questions. So please watch this video till the end. So first is, what is known as count your blessings? Count your blessings is we have so many good things in our life. We have to say that we are saying thanks and we are counting whatever the good things is present with us. It can be our eyes, it can be our nose, it can be our teeth, it can be our digestive system, it can be our style, it can be our air, it can be the water, it can be the relationship, it can be the job, it can be anything. Your bed or your pillow, your fans, your friends, anything, whatever it is, we are going to see. Count that blessing. So when we are counting the blessings, what is happening in the sense that blessings will attract the blessings. Okay, like attracts the likes. So when the like is attracting the likes, and when we are thinking that in the way of blessings, the blessings are going to be abundantly present with us. So that's why we are seeing here count your blessings. Next, when to do this count your blessings? This when to do your counting blessings is, as per this author, she is telling us to count the blessing in early morning. So why we have to do this blessing in the morning time? In the early morning, fresh mind will be there. When fresh mind is present, it will be easy for us to attract the things, to remember the things, to boost ourselves in a very effective way. Okay, and basically this is almost we are talking about attracting, in the sense law of attractions. So in the morning when our mind is fresh, that time we are going to count the blessings whatever is present with us. So the third question is, how to do our count your blessings. How to count your blessings? So you can select any area in your house wherever you feel comfortable. You please be sitting there and relax yourself. Have breathe in, breathe out for 3 to 4 to 5 minutes or 3 to 4 to 5 times, and have some paper, pen, notebook or diary. Or if you don't have the practice of this, you are used to do in your computer, in the sense take your computer or the mobile or the tab or the laptop. And if you feel that you are not in a position to write or type, even you can feel yourself, you can tell within yourself. Okay, that is the first steps. And second one, whenever you are doing this activity, you see that you are going to feel in a very much emotional, in a gratitude, in a happy mind. So when we do this in an emotional and in a happy mind, the attractions is going to be more. Instead of saying that I am very much thankful, you say I am very much thankful, then that is going to attract us. And here the author is giving us a statement how we have to do this, how we have to write this statement. Please, we have to start with I am blessed, I am thankful, I am grateful for what? We have to give the answer for what and why. What and why? I am so much thankful and grateful for making this video. Why? Because by seeing this video, many of my friends and many of my fellow humans are going to get the benefit. They are going to change their dreams into miracles in this by watching this miracle channel. So I am very much happy for it. The happiness, how it has to be in our mind, in the sense it should be like a small kids are very excited to celebrate their birthday for tomorrow. So when they have the birthday for tomorrow, tonight, how much joy they will be having. They'll be thinking about what is the dressing, they'll be thinking about what I will do with my friends. And do you remember, we will go and say, give the chocolates or the cakes, and we will be saying, today happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. How much joyful the kids will be. The same joyful should be present in our mind when we are reciting this. Okay. So since it is the first day, please write 10 blessings. It can be related to your job or related to your life, related to the nature, related to anything, whatever you're feeling. But start with the statement as, I am grateful, I am thankful for what and why. I am so much grateful. Already I told you about this video. I am so much grateful for my job because it is taking care of my family. When I am telling about the job, I am remembering so many of us used to tell, what is the job I am doing? Very boring. I don't like this job. I hate this job. My boss is very, very worst. My colleagues are always gossiping. I don't like the place to work. Yes, but do you remember? Because of the job only, that job is helping our family to feed. So when we are giving such type of negative things, the negatives only is going to be attracted, because remember, we are attracting, like attracts. So what we have to do? We have to be blessed. Thank you for the job which is present for me, which is feeding for my family. Though you don't like the job, no matter what it is, but you see that you are giving, you are feeling the thankful for what you are gaining from the job. When we do this, what is happening? The power whatever you are believing, the power whatever you are thinking, the power whatever you have the faith, that power will bring the way for the job which you have liked, for the job how you wish to have, that job will automatically come to you. So please be thankful. It's not only for the job, it can be the relationships also, it can be anything whichever is present. Okay, so since we are human joined together, yes, of course we will be having a different types of thinking, conflicts with the human relations whatever we are having. But let us remember about the positive relations what we are having than thinking about the negative. Let us say what are the good things we are having because of that relations. You think about it, be thankful for that, then automatically the relations is going to be bonding for you. Okay, so please do remember, here we have one magical word to do this count your blessings. The magical word is thank you, and thank you. So when we are writing the statement, we have to write in such a way, I am very much grateful for this job because it is feeding my family. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When you are ending the statement, you have to end with thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are writing 10 statements, you have to write thank you, thank you, thank you at the end for all the statements. Okay, and since it's a day 1, we are starting with the 10 counts. As the days are going, we can add as a 5, 6, 7, 8 additional to this 10. And this practice, please do, we will practice for another 27 days because it is at 28 days. So when we do this in the 28 days, is that everything is going to be upside down for me in my family or in my life? Yes, this gratitude will be seeded in your mind. So when it is seeded in the mind of our subconscious, it is going to help us to attract only the good. When the goodness is attracted, definitely our dreams are going to become true and the magicals is going to happen here. Please do watch this channel continuously to know about the remaining days what we have to do. Thank you for watching. See you all again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. God bless you.